Your post flow is the gas that flows out of your torch after you have finished your weld. And this gas is set to come out to protect your tungsten while your tungsten is glowing red hot. If the gas shuts off while your tungsten is still glowing red hot, your tungsten will automatically form a layer of oxide on the surface of the tungsten electrode. When you finish a weld, your tungsten should look shiny. It should not look chalky, gray, or black. Something like a silver or gold, that's what you want. What I usually do when I get going on a new machine setup or something I'm not familiar with is I'll set my post flow to be much longer than I need it to be. Then what I do is I slowly dial it back. When I finish a weld, I have a look and see when my tungsten is finished glowing. Then I will dial my gas back from there. You can save a little bit of gas that way, but you can still make sure that your tungsten is protected by the layer of gas to stop it from forming oxide. If you're ever doing weld passes and you're looking at the beginnings of each weld pass and you see a little puff of contamination, usually what this is, it's a direct indicator that you do not have enough or adequate post flow coming out of your torch after the previous weld. What will happen is you will finish a weld, it will not be properly covered, it will form this oxide, and then without even knowing it, you'll go to start your next weld, boom, you've just blown all that oxide into the start of your next weld. It's a really small detail that gets forgotten a lot of the time. So make sure you have a proper setup with your post flow.